Fine, Joseph. I'll make the arrangements. I'll arrive on the 23rd.
It'll be good to see you again, John. We'll expect you at the office on the 24th then.
Thanks. Goodbye.
Goodbye, John.
Michael, come in, please.
Yes, Mr. Watson?
I'm going to make a field inspection of Spacely sprockets. If they can increase their output, we won't have to find another supplier.
Yes, sir. Should I make the arrangements?
I'll do that myself. Just clear my calendar from the 23rd to the 27th. And let's tie up any loose ends before I go, okay?
Yes, sir.
Executive Travel, Emma Peel speaking.
Mrs. Peel, John Watson here.
Nice to hear from you, Mr. Watson. How may I help you today?
I'm going to Victoria on the 23rd, and I'd like you to arrange the flight.
Certainly, Mr. Watson. Business class?
Make it an aisle seat this time, would you?
Yes, of course. Will you need a hotel?
Yes. Let's have a 4-star with several restaurants, computer access, and a decent concierge.
That would be the Peninsula Regent.
Fine. Please be sure their car is there to pick me up.
Leave everything to me, Mr. Watson. I'll call back with the details.
Thank you, Mrs. Peel.
My pleasure, Mr. Watson.